Hello, my name is Swayamjit Satpathy. On behalf of my colleagues at the Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research, Chandigarh, I present few key findings of our manuscript titled Diagnostic Accuracy of Gallium-68 PSMA PET-CT for Initial Detection in Patients with Suspected Prostate Cancer, a Systematic Review and Meta-Analysis. Prostate cancer ranks globally as the second most common cancer in males. Early diagnosis plays an important role in its overall management. Currently, the diagnosis of prostate cancer relies on digital rectal examination and PSA testing, with definitive diagnosis established with the invasive truss-guided biopsy. Multiparametric MRI is a non-invasive test which has high sensitivity for the detection of prostate cancer. However, it is limited by its moderate specificity, inter-reader reproducibility, and the extreme range of negative predictive values. In this scenario, there exists an unmet need for the development and use of alternative non-invasive diagnostic modalities. Prostate-specific membrane antigen is a type 2 transmembrane glycoprotein that is overexpressed in virtually all prostate cancers. Gallium-68 PSMA PET-CT has an established role in the detection of recurrent disease as well as staging of patients with intermediate to high-risk prostate cancer. However, till date, only a few studies have evaluated its role in the primary diagnosis of suspected biopsy-naive prostate cancer. In order to establish the role of gallium-68 PSMA PET-CT in the initial detection of prostate cancer, we decided to conduct a systematic review to assess its diagnostic performance. This systematic review followed the PRISMA guidelines. Two reviewers conducted independent systematic searches in the PubMed, Scopus, and Embase databases using pre-specified search terms. We selected articles that reported on the diagnostic accuracy of gallium-68 PSMA PET-CT in the initial detection of suspected prostate cancer using follow-up histopathology as the reference standard. We identified 7,524 articles on the database search, of which 33 articles were assessed for eligibility. Of these 33 articles, 2 articles were excluded as the data for initial diagnosis was not separately analyzed. 22 articles were excluded because gallium-68 PSMA PET-CT was performed in biopsy-proven cases. 2 articles of gallium-68 PSMA PET-MR were also outside the scope of this review. Finally, 7 articles were included in this systematic review and meta-analysis. We assessed the risk of bias in the individual studies using the Quadrant-2 tool. The overall risk of bias was low for most studies. All the studies had an unclear risk of bias for the reference standard as the interpretation of the biopsy results was not stated to be blinded to the PET-CT results. One study used clinical follow-up rather than histopathology as the reference standard for some patients. As a result, a high risk of bias was given for flow and timing for this study. All the studies had low concern regarding applicability for patient selection, index test, and reference standard. The results of the 7 articles were pooled for evaluation of diagnostic test accuracy. The sensitivity of gallium-68 PSMA PET-CT for the initial detection of suspected prostate cancer ranged from 89% to 100%, while the specificities ranged from 45% to 100%. The estimated pooled sensitivity and specificity for detection of prostate cancer using gallium-68 PSMA PET-CT were 0.97 and 0.66 respectively. The pooled positive and negative likelihood ratios for the initial detection of prostate cancer using gallium-68 PSMA PET-CT were estimated to be 2.86 and 0.05 respectively. Separate analysis for clinically significant prostate cancer, that is, Gleason score more than equal to 3+4, were available for 5 studies. The estimated pooled sensitivity and specificity for the detection of clinically significant prostate cancer using gallium-68 PSMA PET-CT were 0.99 and 0.49 respectively. The area under the SROC curve, that is the summary receiver operating characteristic curve, for the initial detection of prostate cancer using gallium-68 PSMA PET-CT was 0.91 with 95% confidence intervals being 0.88 to 0.93. To summarize, gallium-68 PSMA PET-CT had an overall sensitivity and specificity of 0.97 and 0.66 respectively for the initial diagnosis of prostate cancer. The modality had a negative likelihood ratio of 0.05, which translates to a 20-fold decrease in the odds of having prostate cancer in patients with a negative scan. The test also had a high diagnostic accuracy with area under the SROC curve being 0.91. To conclude, gallium-68 PSMA PET-CT had a high diagnostic accuracy for the initial detection of prostate cancer in patients with clinical or biochemical suspicion, and therefore has potential utility as a rule-out test for such patients whereby biopsy can be avoided. Thank you.